Why would anyone take an optional exam unless you secretly enjoyed self-inflicted stress? Well, here are 4 surprisingly good reasons. Gives you a clear sense of where you stand, reassurance that you actually know your stuff before you dive into real-life patients like it's a high-stakes medical game show. It highlights gaps in your knowledge, so your first dermoscopic diagnosis doesn't end with, it looks kinda weird. If you've downloaded the free manual and watched all the videos, then it's your chance to see what actually stuck. Frame your certificate, flaunt it, or fold it into a paper aeroplane and let your dreams take flight. But wait, what's the catch, I hear you say? Well, there are 3 actually. It's not free. This one is for people serious about dermoscopy. Skin in the game keeps out the dabblers. It's not easy. If you rock up without revising, you're going to get dermoscooled. I'm not here to trip you up, but I am testing whether you know how to handle your light labour. It's not externally validated. Don't put it on your CV. Think of it more like arm wrestling me for fun. I'm testing if you've got what it takes to practice dermoscopy, safe in primary care. Here's how it works. Why not take it at the beginning of the course as a baseline, then again after watching all the videos to see how far you've come. But here's what happens when you click the link. Enter your email address. That's where your receipt will be sent and the certificate if you pass. You pay via PayPal. The price is listed in GB pounds. Then the test can begin. Expect 50 questions in blocks of 5. These are randomly selected from a bank of several hundred. Each exam is therefore unique. You have 35 minutes. You must complete it in one go. No breaks, no snacks, no excuses. It is negatively marked. Wrong answers will cost you points, just like in real life. You can review and change answers before submitting them. The questions test core knowledge, pattern recognition, diagnostic skills, interpretation of video and dermoscopic images. Once you finish, get instant results. Review your answers with feedback for each question. If you pass, you can download your personalised certificate straight away. This is a proper exam, not a personality quiz. It's monitored, and if you leave the full screen exam page, I'll know and you'll be warned. But it's also a great learning tool. It will sharpen your skills. It will show you what you've mastered and what you still need to work on. I really hope you enjoy the challenge. Feedback is always welcome. I'm constantly refining the questions based on what I learn from each exam taker. So, ready to take the plunge? Click the link below, and may your diagnostic skills be strong and your dermoscope even stronger. Training a primary care dermoscopist for every general practice.